Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location and time. Happy weekend to you all. Welcome to another realistic morning in my life as a mother of four, living with her kids and hubby all alone. On today's episode, I will not be doing much. I have rice and I have stew at home. All I need to do is just to warm them up. It is very okay. The rice is very good and sound. My stew is very okay. And today is Friday. School closes very early today. So guys, this is me trying to take my tea. This is my tea. I'm just starting it today. If you know you are having big tummy, your weight is, you don't like how your weight is. Some people, they will be chubby but they will be light, So you need to be drinking this tea every morning just to have a flexible body. So you think they carry your body anyhow we like. So this is me trying to wash their food flask because I could not wash it yesterday. They don't come and tell me how to do it. Some people tell me, why don't you wash it yesterday? You're supposed to wash it yesterday. My dear, in my house, I'm a busy person. So this is me putting in their food. At this time, I'm very I'm hurrying up because we're all leaving the house together. Today is my is market in my area, so I have to go to shop very early. So after everything, motherhood, you need to get ready. Like, you need to be ready for anything that will come out the next minute, the next second, the next day, the next week. You have to get yourself ready for it. So after putting in their lunch bag, this is me putting in their food, I proceeded to another version of motherhood. Guess what? My son's uniform have torn yesterday. I don't know what that boy did. I know he plays rough. I always tell him. So this is me trying to sew it. I was sweating. I was in a hurry. Everything. In fact, look at. I cannot allow him to wear it like this. Even under the laps, everywhere. You can see I've been sewing this knicker for how long now? Yes, somebody might tell me, why don't you change the school uniform? My dear, I won't be changing it. You just need it for this time because you want to change the school, right? So this is my daughter. I asked her to make breakfast. So she's making the breakfast and work continues. At this time, I was just sending the boy a message because he's the one delaying me. I was just sending him a message. Go and do this for me. Go and do this for me. Make sure you are ready before I finish because you are the one delaying me. Every day I'll be sewing your school knicker. The other day it was his sports wear. Today is this uniform. I was so angry this morning. But what will you do as a mother now? You continue doing it. Thank you for watching this video. Please share if you find it interesting.